Geoff, the Australian Financial Complaints Authority recently instructed a car insurer to use a motorist's choice of repairer instead of the insurer's repairer. Why?
Well, this is about a policy that a motorist takes out for their car, and of course we advocate for choice of repair, which means a motorist should be able to use their own choice of repair if they damage their car. In this case, the authority said that the insurer did not allow the consumer to exercise that choice of repair right that was in their policy.
What do you mean by that?
Well, what happened was the vehicle that the consumer had went to a repairer and a quote was raised on that vehicle, and the insurer took that vehicle to another repairer for a second quote. And technically the insurer is allowed to do that. The problem is that, and AFCA argued this, is that the insurer was unable to demonstrate why one repair quote was any better than the other. What that meant is that it was hard to justify the low repair quote any more than the high repair quote. The vehicle wasn't assessed by a vehicle assessor, and there wasn't enough evidence to support the insurer's position.
That's quite a profound position for the authority to take. What does that mean for repairers?
Well, it means that repairers can work with their customers and support their choice of repair. And where a vehicle is taken out of a workshop for a second quote, the insurer is allowed to do that, and they bring that information back to the consumer and to the first repairer. The insurer needs to have evidence of why they're choosing that second quote, and it's not just about price.